Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NOB token. Now the NOB token is a meme token, kind of a play off of the very popular Bonk token. Now the Bonk token has been around a while. They've had Doge Bonk, they've had all sorts of different Bonks come out in the past too after the Bonk token came out. And now we have the NOB token, which is bonk backwards. If you look at, you can read. But the weird thing is, too, a lot of their webpage and socials have writing that's all backwards, so you have to read it all backwards. It's kind of crazy. But this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 26th. And we're going to go over the information on the NOB token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, this token appears to be on the Solana blockchain, and you can actually view the chart here at birdeye.so. I'm going to pull that up here in a different browser because this always screws up. But their webpage is also nobcoin.xyz, where you could find a buy now button that will take you over to Jupiter, which is a Solana decentralized exchange. We'll get to that in just 1 second. But today, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing, December 26th, which is today, at 10 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Poloniex, and then search KNOB, and then simply just buy the token. So Poloniex, it's available. It's also available on Jupiter, most likely Raydium as well. Raydium's another Solana decentralized exchange. But yeah, you can just fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Sol. Go into the trade section, go into the apps, and then search Jupiter or Raydium. It's most likely on Raydium as well. And then you'd use the contract address that you could find on their, you can actually find it on their Twitter right here. It says token ID, but it's all backwards, like I said there. So it says token ID backwards, and community token of Web3, it says that's all in backwards writing there. And then it has, the contract address is right there. You can also find it on their webpage, which is in that link tree right here on this Twitter. I mentioned the webpage earlier. You can find the contract address all over the token ID. So you use that, trade your Solana for the NOB token on Jupiter or Raydium. If you go on that link tree right there, it has buy NOBs, and that will take you over right over to Jupiter as well. And they also, on this link tree, has their token ID, their Chinese Telegram, their website, their chart, which will take you to Bird Eye, and Twitter Telegram. So if you want to find the English Telegram, you go to just NobCoin, at NobCoin on Telegram. They have 2,042 members, 386 online. It says NOB is literally bonk backwards, 100% community-driven Solana project. No pre-seed, no pre-launch. It says 0% tax, so you probably won't have to worry too much about slippage on any of those decentralized exchange. And it says our liquidity pool is burned forever. Now, I don't know if blue is the inverse of orange or whatever, and why they chose to have the symbol blue instead of orange, but that's what it is. And yeah, so their webpage here knobcoin.xyz has charts, buy now button. So it has deck screener link, team wallet, community section, how to buy in case you get stuck, you didn't understand what I said, roadmap, and all sorts of stuff. So all progress is fueled by the community. They also have a link to CoinGecko. They're listed on CoinGecko. And they have a contact email on here as well on their webpage. It says, welcome to Knobcoin, the first ever reverse meta coin on Solana chain. No tax, total supply, 10 billion tokens. They have the live chart. It says what we have planned, the roadmap. Phase 1, launch the Knobcoin, a token forged by the community, void of pre-seed, pre-sales, or early contributor allocations. Establish a multi-sig community wallet to facilitate secure and transparent management of community funds and contributions. Unveil the enhanced version 2 website, establish a vibrant presence on Telegram and Twitter, secure listings on decentralized exchanges like Raydium and Jupiter, so it is on Raydium as well, garner visibility on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Phase 2, crafting concise knob brand guidelines for a unified and distinct brand image, establishing a multi-sig revenue wallet for transparent community financial management, onboard influencers and key opinion leaders for expanded reach, conduct strategic airdrops rewarding and captivating our community, begin development of version 3 website. Phase 3, interaction phase with the venture into the NFT space, exploring unique and valuable tokenized assets. Unleash innovative Telegram bot functionalities to enrich the user experience. Implement burn mechanism V2, enhancing tokenomics and deepening community engagement. And then phase 4 is coming soon. It says to be announced later. Now, it says the roadmap could also change. They show you step by step how to get the token. Then they have all the same links at the bottom of their webpage. So they don't have much utility as of yet, but it says in the roadmap there is lots of planned utility in the future. So you can check this out on Bird Eye, and it says here it has the max total supply of tokens. It's a little bit over 9.999 billion, 7,435 holders so far, so they're doing pretty well there. And yeah, you can view the chart on here. In the past 24 hours, it says it's up 63.19%, so it's doing very well. But yeah, go check this token out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Knob? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.